Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. সোয়েটার ইউনিভার্সিটি ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে আপনাদের স্বাগতম। গত পর্বে আমি আলোচনা করেছিলাম জব ডেসক্রিপশন অফ জেনারেল ম্যানেজার। আজকে আমি আলোচনা করব জব ডেসক্রিপশন অফ মার্চেন্ডাইজার। জব রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অফ মার্চেন্ডাইজার। Communication, internal and external. Introduction with buyer. Inquiry. Development sample submit. Price settle. Lab dips approvals. Order sheet receive. Prepare BOM sheet. Fit sample making and getting fit sample approval. Booking confirm. PP sample making and getting approval. Material in-house according to BOM sheet. All kinds of test and approval. Material inspection report confirmation. Getting size set sample approval. Production related all documents study. PP meeting with all section in charge. All kinds of materials approval. Production file handover. Communicate and coordinate with production department. Daily production report study. Commercial work and check with CNF. Discuss and review buyer requirements with production department. To complete production, making packing list, offer final inspection, arrange final inspection, shipment confirmation, transportation and goods delivery, close all PI and LC issue on time. That's all for the moment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.